guys, my mom and I just watched Jeffrey's video. Excuse like my dry skin. It's just everywhere. So we just watched Jeffree Star's video. I'm having yogurt, strawberry yogurt, and like bites of this. Pablo is begging, obviously. We have to go to Bath and Body Works today, Kroger's, and possibly Walmart if we can't find what we need at Bath and Body Works.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
Bed Bath and Beyond, that's what I meant. And I'm going to vlog in public. I'm going to force myself because...
No, you're not.
No, I am, Mom.
When you go on your own, you can vlog in public.
I'm going to vlog in public. But yeah. Rissa's in the shower right now. I need to, like, rinse my face. But, yeah.
Alright, I gotta go get dressed.
Mom's gonna go get dressed. I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm gonna finish my yogurt. And we'll see you when, like, we get in the grocery shopping right now.
Oh, look at this.
We're at Kroger's. No, we have fresh plates. I'm inside Walmart because we didn't get a shopping cart and I didn't have arms. But right now we're putting like our shampoos and conditioner in our little bottles, and we're just basically getting everything ready.
Oh my god, why am I in this? Oh, we can take that.
Just cut scissors, yeah, that can go in there. Here we are.
Then we could take our full deodorants.
No, you're gonna those now.
But we can still have these because these can go in our like purses throughout the day. Hey guys, so hopefully this is like good enough. An excuse right here. It's so, let's see. And I don't have any chapstick with me. So I'm doing an unboxing. So I got a iPad, just like a normal iPad. Just like a normal one, not like the Pro or the Air. And I'm going to start using it to take notes to save on paper because my PowerPoint slides are so long and it's just a lot. And she wanted us to like print those out and bring in the class and stuff, and it would just be too hard to do that. So we're going to do an unboxing. The case and like the knockoff pins coming tomorrow. I ordered it off Amazon. I'll show you what brand I got. It has really good reviews. They kept saying it was really good. It was just like basically a step down from the Apple Pen thing. And I'm gonna buy it next month when we come back from Disney. Okay. I got this space gray one. So beautiful. Just a little iPad. Got the charger. Because an iPad would be so much easier to carry to class rather than a large notebook and all of that. And it would also be easier to study with also. So let's turn it on. I don't know if it's going to need charged or not. But let's see. And I'm just using this to take notes. That's why I just got just a normal iPad. The sun. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and like quick start it. So I'll be right back. So I finished setting the iPad up. I'm putting everything away because I'm about to eat dinner. We're having like our like homemade like burrito bowls. But yeah, it's set up. I'm not gonna really use it because I still need to buy a note-taking app. So yeah. Did you already give him that chicken?
Yeah.
He already ate it all.
Did you get that what was in the floor again?
Yeah.
Can I use a regular bowl?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. We have homemade guac. I forget what that's called. But yeah, I'm gonna make my plate and I'll show you guys what's on my little bowl. You can watch me put the rest of the stuff in. I already put cauliflower rice, pinto beans, and black beans in there. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Then I'll see you guys after dinner is done and ate. Okay, so I need to clean my bed off, make it so I can do some homework. So let's make my bed. Okay, today is only Saturday. I was like, then I need to pack my bag and get it ready for tomorrow. But it's only Saturday, and I'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to drop my sister off at her high school. So she has a competition. They meet at the high school and they do like a little practice. Then they leave. And yeah. Then I'll just pick her up from the high school when they get back. I'm not going to this competition. Just because I have no one to go with and I don't want to sit there alone. But yeah. Let's go check my laundry. It's like a mixture of laundry. I threw some of my mom's stuff in there. Because I think she needed some laundry wash. Well, she did, obviously. But my room is clean. I'm not going to make my bed. I'm just going to like throw my blankets down here. And yeah. So I'll see you guys when I get back from probably switching over my laundry. Then I have to put the laundry away later. So we'll do that. Guys, I thought I would update you. It just looks weird. I'm currently doing homework and watching YouTube. I only have 2 more questions to go. I might go make some coffee. If I make some coffee, I'll take you guys with me. And I need to put my phone back on the charger. Pretty much it. I'm gonna finish this. I'll let you guys know when I finish it. Then I have to respond to like one person and like basically ask them a really good question. I want to ask an insightful question and making a meaningful comment, because that can get me an extra credit point. One extra point each week. So, at least 2. So, I'll respond to 2 people. If not 2 people, 3. But yeah, just like I just rather get some. If there's extra points, get the extra points, because you never know. You can never go wrong with extra points. And this is due tomorrow at 11:59, but I plan on having all of the rest of my stuff turned in. So Rissa and the cat are in here now. I'm watching Hannah. So let's see.
Sorry.
I'm currently working on the history of African American. Good night. Do you have an alarm set for tomorrow? Okay. Then basically, I think these 2 are the main ones, and this one is like next week's, but I'll do that too. Actually, that might be this week. So these are the 3 things I'm going to do tonight. I think I pretty much have them done. If not, they're super easy and I'll get them done super quick. But yeah, I really like this iPad so far. I got the iPad 7th generation, the 7th generation, which is like the newest one. They just came out with it in like 2019. And it's like made for like students. It's like, I don't know. But I like it so far. I don't have a case for it right now, but my case comes tomorrow, and my knockoff Apple pen will come tomorrow. Then I'm gonna possibly, if my pen works really good, I might just keep it. But if like I think I want to like get the actual Apple brand pen, I'll go buy it. It was $130. So I want to like wait on that. Then I'll get that after our Disney trip, because that's when I'll have like the money to get it. And yeah, then probably next week or some other time, I need to still buy the app so I can take notes, and I need to put money in my account because my iCloud storage thing should be trying to come out. I tried to look on my bank app, but it's not working right now, so I'm not really sure exactly what day it comes out. But yeah, I would get a notification if I already tried to come out and it didn't have money. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this stuff, and I'll see you guys in a little. Made my coffee. It is oat milk. Well, I'll show you guys maybe in a little bit. Take my glasses off because I'm going to take a break from doing work, because I already told you guys the rest of my stuff isn't due until Tuesday. So I'm going to try to, I already have my laundry. I want to find something on Disney Plus to watch. I'm done. That was super fast. I do my laundry super fast. But yeah, I love Aladdin. This version of it. Excuse my fan, but yeah, it is 11:57. I'm just going to chill, watch Aladdin, and work on some more homework, and I'll see you guys in the morning. And tomorrow we have to get ready for second week of school. Good morning, guys. It's 9:33. I did not go to bed until like 4 a.m. because like I'm crazy. Yeah, I took a shower last night and did a face mask, and my face feels so much better. I just dropped, I don't think I told you, I just dropped Briss off at the high school. Guys, I'm eating breakfast finally. It's 11 now. And I talked to you guys at what? 9:30. I came home, did the dishes. I just cleaned the living room, hallway. The cat box needed to clean, like that's my sister. Sorry, my dad called me. He wanted to see what we needed from Kroger's. Even though we went to the grocery store, I didn't realize we barely had a gallon of milk, and we only got like the small thing of milk, not a gallon, so he's gonna pick up a gallon. But like I was saying, the cat box is like Rissa's chore, and I just went ahead and did it. And I need to remind my mom that we need cat litter. So yeah, I just went ahead and did that. I took all the trash out. That's kind of like what I like to do every couple days, is like go through the house and like take the trash out, and stuff like that. Basically, I've already done everything and turned everything in that's due today. So I'm working on week 2 assignments, which is fun and fresh, you know. My sociology book, it's not like, I don't even know what this is. It's that. African American psychology and stress, managing stress. Then my computer, which I'll do my stuff on. Then my iPad, I have my stuff up right now. Then obviously I'm gonna have YouTube playing in the background. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do today. It's 11:23, but oh my gosh, I thought one of my pictures fell. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably until, I don't even know. Guys, I'm going to rearrange my room. Hold on, let me take this off. Because I'm just tired of my room set up like this, so I'm going to rearrange it. So this is how it is set up now. I finished. Okay, let me take this down. I was gonna have this up just for something cute, but it doesn't really like go with any sort of theme. And there's pumpkins on it, so. Okay, so I finished my room. It's not fully done. I want to get a side table. I'll show you my room. My TV and everything is right here. Hold on, let me move the sweatshirt. This is where everything is going to charge. So like I'm going to have no electronics near my bed. Alarm clock. My iPad will charge here. Watch will charge there. All of that is right there. Then here's my bed and my mirror and where my book bag and that bag. I want to have a side table, and there's this super cute one from Target that I want. Fan there. I put my little cubicle down there, and I put my books underneath it, like just like reading books. Then Pablo's cage is in there. My shoes, my light with my scrunchies. Then like my school textbooks, and obviously my clothes and stuff. Just need change every once in a while. But yeah, I like my mirror there. It's just something different. Like I like it. Once I get my side table, I'll like it more because then I can set my water bottle in there. Then I'll probably move my alarm clock over here once I get my side table. That's it. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, so case is perfect, and it's like kind of protective. Well, kind of, you know. It's good. This is what it is. So yeah, let's see if the pen works. So this is what came in the box, and like some extra. I think they're the same. I'm not really sure. Like extra little things. Oh my god, this like works so good. And like it's very like here. Can you guys see? Hopefully you guys can see, but look, I can like rest my hand on it. And like it doesn't mess up, so that's really cool. So I love my purchases. Well, it's not my purchase, my mom bought it for me, which is super nice. So here is the pen, just in case you guys were looking for like a knockoff brand of the Apple pencil thing. So I have these for a snack. They're chickpea snacks. They're barbecue flavored. They're good. I'm just gonna go find something to eat. Then I have YouTube going on right now. I'm watching some YouTube. Right there. I need to take these back to the kitchen. And yeah, I'm hungry. It's 2:41 now, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm currently trying to get all of like the footage together for this vlog. And just trying to get my life together, you know. I already picked Riss up. They got first place. So that's good. I'm watching Law and Order. I muted it so you guys can hear me better. Pablo is down there chewing his little Kong. It's just a toy. Hey, Pablo. Aw, you're so cute. Aww. He's just so adorable, isn't he? Look at him. Oh, so adorable. So yeah, I'm getting this ready. This is like my current vlog. This is what I'm pretty much going to do the rest of the night. It's 5:16. I'm probably going to have dinner probably around 6 or 7. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned because in a couple weeks we'll be going to Disney and that'll be a fun little vlog. But yeah, see you later.